Welcome to 1280 Minnesota. This is apartment 103. We've got a huge, spacious, big, open floor plan. Lots and lots of sunlight. Amazing amount of cabinetry and kitchen space. Gas fireplace here, which is going to be fantastic in the winter months. And then for the summer months, a really, really nice big private deck. Let's go check out the bedrooms. Our first bedroom is just off of the living room, dining room area. Again, lots of light, lots of closets. And then passing by the kitchen, we'll go ahead and just off to the right here is our washer dryer. Tucked away very conveniently. We've got our first full bathroom. And then we go ahead and step on into the second bedroom, which also opens out onto the patio. This bedroom has an additional bathroom. With not just a bathtub, but also with a shower. So you can have one or the other. And also has a very large walk-in closet. Lots and lots of space. So hope you come and see this one soon. It's sure to go quickly. Thanks so much. Bye.